show you how to make a fidget tool just like the ones we have in the calm spots in our school. I'm gonna show you guys how to make this calm bottle. Alright, check it out. You're gonna need water, an empty bottle, food coloring, and glitter. It's very easy. First, you're gonna open the bottle, gonna put some water inside. You're gonna fulfill the whole bottle. Then, you're gonna put some food color inside. I'm gonna use this green one. Then, you're gonna put the glitter. We're gonna close the bottle. And that's the fun part. We're gonna shake, 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 shake. That's it, little bears. I hope you guys enjoyed. Now you have your calm bottle to help you at home. Alright? So Miss Pilar now is going to show you guys how to make another type of fidget tool. Alright? See you!
Hi everybody, hi Miss Gabi. So here I have a squeeze calming ball, see? Mine is happy. And I can squeeze it and calm down and be very happy. It's very simple. I'm gonna show you now. For this craft, you will need hair conditioner, balloons, baking soda, a funnel that you can make out of a bottle that you have, a plastic bottle that you have at home, a bowl, a tablespoon and half of a tablespoon, okay? Alright, let's start. So first, you get half of a tablespoon, fill it with hair conditioner and place it in the bowl, okay? Then you get the baking soda and put 2 tablespoons. And then you mix it. I'm gonna use the end of the tablespoon to mix. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna get the funnel that I got out of the plastic bottle, and I'm going to put the balloon here. Yeah, and now with the help of the funnel and the spoon, I'm gonna place my mix inside the balloon. Once you finish filling up your balloon, you can tie a knot, okay? And then you have a very good little ball to squeeze it. You can also get a marker and draw a happy face or a sad face, a face on your balloon. So look, I'm gonna make a happy face because I'm happy. See? There's my happy squeeze ball.